Hey guys, so it is maintenance day and I am doing my nails again. That was my nail glue. It didn't focus this time for some reason. I don't know why. But if you guys have seen my last nail video, it's pretty much the same thing. I don't go too crazy with my nails because I like them to be simple. So I'm just applying the glue to the full tip and then I will apply it to my nail. I like to put enough glue to where it's going to stick, but the UV lamp that we have, of course, will help with all of that. I do about 60 seconds for each finger. The 30 seconds never worked for me. So now I'm just showing you guys as I apply more of them. It's pretty much the same thing, same procedure. You apply the glue onto the full tip, and after you size them, make sure you size them beforehand. And then you just put it into the UV lamp, cure it for 30 seconds. It's like the flash cure. I do the 60 because I want my nails to last 3 to 4 weeks if they can, just like acrylics would. So that's what I like to do, but it's up to you guys. I do 60 seconds though. When I first started doing my nails, it was very difficult to get the handling of the position of my nails, like the position of my hands, everything. And sometimes I still slip up, so it is okay if you do as well. It really just takes practice, but look how they came out. I had already filed them and shaped them because I showed it in my last video. I do a sharp square type of shape. Absolutely love it. And then I applied the foundation gel, and now we're on to the actual color itself. The foundation gel is just the base coat. You guys didn't need to see that, so I didn't put it in here. This shade, however, is B160. Definitely go back in the video and screenshot this color. I'll also put it in the description box below so that you guys can get it off of Amazon. This color is the perfect nude for fall, for French tips, for winter nails, anything. It's so pretty, and it's pretty alone, and it's also pretty with the white tips that you guys will see me do, are kind of like the white outline. I absolutely love doing my nails. It's very therapeutic for me. Kind of just sit at my vanity, as you guys can see the whole setup, and just get my nails done by me. Saves a ton of money, and I don't know why my voice sounds like that, but I save a ton of money, and I also save time, I would say. I don't go crazy on the designs or crazy on the filing. I feel like that saves my nails and makes them healthy over time, because the nail salons, they can do a lot of filing that can actually do more damage, and we don't need that. So as I am applying the different coats of my nail, right now I'm doing my thumb. That's why it's kind of a little bit off camera. I like to make sure it's even. I looked up tons of different techniques on TikTok, on YouTube. So if you guys are ever interested in doing your own nails, there's plenty of resources out there to see how to make them look as professional as the nail techs do, the nail salons do. I mean, look at the outcome. They look so good. And then I did end up using a little bit of OPI regular nail polish to do the white outline, but it kept drying too fast. I don't know why that was. So I switched to the Essie white tip brand, and they came out so cute. Absolutely love them. And now we have my wax pot. So I showed you guys today how I wax my legs. My maintenance has really come down to my nails and waxing. My hair, because I do wigs, it's really every month that I'll wash my hair. And then as far as getting a new wig, I get really good wigs. So probably 2 to 3 times a year I get a new one. And I'm good. I'm set. I feel like I made myself high maintenance by also having myself be low maintenance and allowing me to take care of all of the things that I'm maintaining, such as waxing my legs, my underarms, everything else, as well as doing my own nails too. So this wax pot was a little hot. I did need to lower it, and I do end up doing that later in the video. The wax pot, the wax, the sticks, everything is on Amazon for you guys to order. And it's super affordable. I believe you get a pound of wax beads for about $20, maybe $25, which isn't bad at all, especially if your hair grows back every 4 to 6 weeks. You're pretty good. I did exfoliate before this. Look at my nails, guys. Look how pretty they look while I'm waxing. Oh my gosh. Anyway, sorry. I did exfoliate my legs before this, and I'm just showing you guys the hair. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's fine, but yeah. And the exfoliator that I used was the Dove body polish. I told you guys about this in my other videos. Please go get it. Please go get it, okay? It is amazing, and it really does help soften the skin and make hair removal so easy. So we just pulled another strip up. We are just getting this leg done. So here I brought you guys in a little bit closer so you can really see what the wax strip is supposed to look like. And you can also see the pulling technique. So I'm taunting my skin, and then I'm punching in an upwards motion to make sure I'm really getting all of that hair. It's a really good form of exfoliation as well. So it's kind of like a double exfoliation, because when you do wax, if you do cream wax or soft wax or hard wax, you are also removing the dead skin cells as well. So you're also double exfoliating if you exfoliated before. So my leg is all done at this point. I am using my aloe vera to soothe the pores, soothe the skin. I love this part because it makes it all worth it. Don't get me wrong, waxing is not painful, but it's a little painful. It's not like laser can be. Laser can be very painful, but waxing, it's minor. It's very quick, but definitely putting the aloe vera on at the end makes it all worth it. Look how smooth my skin looks. It looks so good, so soft. I'm telling you, sometimes I will put aloe vera on my skin just to keep seeing how smooth and shiny it looks afterwards. It looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.